We are live with another Quick Tip Tuesday. I've received a lot of messages within the last week regarding veteran loans. So this week's topic is VA loans. First off, I just want to say thanks to all the veterans for their service. Truly appreciate it. Thank you, veterans. So VA loans, it's a very interesting loan. Of course, you have to be a veteran in order to receive that loan. So the great thing about that is you can buy a house with 0% down. So that is amazing. It's a lot of benefits to a VA loan. I would definitely recommend, if you don't have a home and you're a veteran or served in the past, definitely utilize that loan because there aren't really much loans out there like that. The other benefits besides that, usually with less than 20% down, you have to pay mortgage insurance. So another benefit to VA loans is you don't have to pay for mortgage insurance. So typically the monthly payments will be lower and you're putting 0% down. So that's a huge advantage to the veteran loans. Another thing is the debt to income ratios. It's a little more lenient, so it's a little easier to get a VA loan. So that's pretty much amazing. Another good thing is you can actually buy a multifamily with a VA loan. So you can buy a 1 to 4 unit with a VA loan. It's a government loan, so any other of the requirements fall on the VA loan as well. So regarding, you still have to have income to get a VA loan, still have to qualify on the credit side. You still have to qualify basically like the income history and things of that sort. So that's a huge advantage. 0% down. That is amazing. So most of the documents you would need for a regular loan, the only 2 extra documents you would need are the DD-214, which is basically like your proof of military service. And you can just contact your representative at the Veteran Affairs to provide that documentation. And the other one is a COE, which is a certificate of eligibility. That's basically what that is, a breakdown of to make sure you met the service requirements for the loan. So there's certain requirements to you have to meet for the loan. It ensures that you met those requirements and you're eligible for that loan. It basically gives you a breakdown of what your maximum budget is for the house itself. And the good thing actually, it's kind of rare, but depending on how much budget which you have within that certificate of eligibility, if you were to use it all in one house, you could actually have multiple VA loans, not like other loans. So FHA loans, you typically only can have one FHA loan at a time. With VA loans, if you have enough eligibility, you can actually buy multiple homes within the VA home bracket. So that's another plus for our veterans over there. If you definitely have a VA loan or married to a veteran, you can take advantage of that. I would always definitely take advantage of that. You can buy a multi if you like. You can buy a single family, higher ratios. There's so much benefits within a VA loan. If my boyfriend is a veteran, can I use his VA loan? So if you're not legally married, you're not able to use the other person's benefits, unfortunately. So you definitely have to be married in order to use the person's benefits. So without any marriage, you're not able to use that, unfortunately. Sorry. Let's see what other amazing benefits they have for our VAs. Let's see, make sure I pretty much covered most of the topics on the VA. You can buy more than one home as long as you have enough entitlements left over. You can qualify for more because the debt to income ratios are a little looser than other loans. The VA loan is to the Department of Veteran Affairs. So all extra documentations, of course, go through there. My boyfriend just started working again. Can he use his 1 year work history with the VA loan? So unfortunately, you still have to meet the other requirements. So you still need a 2 year work history in order. So if you had a big gap, unfortunately, that income history refreshes. So you would need at least 2 years of work history for the VA loan still. They still fall under the regular government guidelines on the income requirements and the work history and things of that sort. So unfortunately, your boyfriend will have to wait until he has that 2 year work history in order to qualify for the VA loan. And good thing you mentioned that actually. So if you have two incomes, make sure you have those two incomes for the 2 years in order to qualify for a higher amount. Can we buy a multifamily with a VA loan? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. So you can definitely buy a 1, 2, 3, or 4 family with a VA loan, 0% down. So if you're a veteran, try to go for the multifamily home. Go for it. It's a perfect time. You can live rent free. You can put 0% down. So technically, the cash on cash return on that investment can be almost unlimited because you're not putting any money into it, and it could be an income producing asset. So that's actually an amazing thing. The cash flow will be better because you have no mortgage insurance. So that's amazing. You're welcome. You're very welcome. Yeah, I pretty much covered all the main topics on the VA loan. I'll take a few more questions before we wrap up this quick tip Tuesday. Does anyone have any specific questions on the VA loans? Just throw another one out there. If you're a widow of a veteran, you can use your VA loan. You just have to show the documentations of your late husband or wife. Veterans. So once again, thank you to all our veterans. If you know anyone that is a veteran, definitely push them to home ownership. There's definitely a lot of benefits to it, and especially they have the huge advantage of putting less down, and their monthly payments will be lower because of the VA benefit. There's no mortgage insurance. They can save hundreds of dollars depending on how big the loan is. So mortgage insurance just is a percentage of the loan, and that's a monthly payment. So for other loans that if you put less than 20%, you'll pay a mortgage insurance, and sometimes you pay a monthly. Sometimes there's loans that you pay monthly, and there's loans that you pay monthly and at the closing table. So it's a huge advantage to the veterans. If you have any questions on the veterans loans or want to get pre-approved or know someone that wants to discuss further, just reach out to me and let me know if you have any questions, and sign up for my newsletter on my bio and at JonDoesRealEstate, which is my Instagram, JonDoesRealEstate, and have a great rest of your day, everyone.